It's been a long day. Covered a lot of territory, and we've had a good glimpse of the breadth of activities that are taking place in the CCQM, both in organic analysis, inorganic analysis, some surface, some biology as well, and a little taste of inorganic analysis as well. We've come a long way, an awful long way from the first meetings that I attended, where we were still talking about what is a primary method, what isn't a primary method, and trying really hard to make chemistry, at least metrology and chemistry, like it was for what people really felt comfortable with in physics. And I think once we got over that hump and recognized that what we are about here is not trying to make chemistry physics, because you never can, but more to think about how you apply metrological principles to chemical analysis and then biological analysis. And then we took off on a very, very interesting trip down metrology lane, and we're still on it. So thank you very much for your attendance, for your patience, and your participation in this workshop, where we took sort of a look at where we've been, starting with Dr. Carls, and we're looking at where we are now. We didn't do as much discussion, we didn't have as much discussion of where we're going, but I'm sure some of that we'll hear when we hear the report outs from the various working groups tomorrow. So thank you very much for your attention. Enjoy the rest of your day, and be here bright and early in the morning. So thank you.